All right.
We've got the existing factory one that goes up through all of this, including this piece now. And then I've got 3 screws going this way into the framing of this. And then the bottom of this is another rail. It has another one of these angle irons on the back side that I'm anchoring into it as well.
Okay.
It's actually probably stronger than this piece because this is not mounted to this.
Okay.
Here.
We're here with Mike, the Dry Campers, drycampers.com. I'll put the link down in the description below. We're out in Roswell, New Mexico for a solar install. Mike, what are you going to do for us?
Well, the package that we've got for you combines 2 arrays of solar on the roof totaling 2,480 watts, which comes down into the basement, connects to dual MPPTs, and then that helps power the dual inverters totaling 5,000 usable watts. And then you have 3 of the GC Game Changer 3 batteries totaling 810 amps. You also paired it with the Cerbo GX so that you have good user management of the system.
And what are we going to be able to run with this?
So you can, with the amount of solar that you have on a good day, you're able to run an AC without using any battery power. As a matter of fact, you can charge a battery back up. So you can run an air conditioner while you're charging your batteries back up from whatever you used the night before. Let's say that you're traveling and you want to get somewhere and it's already hot outside. While you're traveling, you can pull over an hour or 2 before you get there. You have the ability to turn on an air conditioner and let it cool the rig down while you're riding down the road. One of the other neat benefits of this system is that the system is set up wired in dual parallel. Means that you basically have a 5,000 watt bucket that you can pull off of while you're inverting to run things in the rig. such as if you're running an air conditioner and you need to run the microwave or a coffee pot or something like that, you don't have to turn off the air conditioner. You can go ahead and run the microwave or the coffee pot at the same time, as long as you don't exceed your 5,000 watt bucket.
So now we have an Alliance Paradigm 385 FF. Is this your first Alliance?
Yes. Yep. First Alliance, first Paradigm. It's a pleasure to work on. It had its challenges, but there were some things that Alliance did to make the job easy. They have a chute that comes from the roof all the way straight down, that we were able to bring the solar wires down in. There was no guesswork or risk. With the rear elevated rear bedroom and the rear storage with the tray in the back, we were talking about different scenarios that we could install the equipment, and we went with this layout to keep everything accessible. There's another option that we could put everything up in front of the tray, but anytime you would have had to do anything with the system other than turn it on or off, you'd have to crawl all the way to the other end of the tray. And if your tray is full, then you're going to be unloading some stuff. It's not going to be something you can get to quickly.
My crawling days are over anyway.
Yeah, this was mostly so Steve would never crawl. We love it.
But it looks fantastic. We can't wait to try it. We're going to be heading to Fort Sumner, and we're going to put it to its test.
In a city park, and we're going to test it out. Yeah.